Hello, my name is Blue. Some people call me Bluey. I'm a streamer. I was asked on how to get your first 10 viewers. So, here's my take. I do not do any editing or anything like that, so hopefully it goes good. Part 1. Well, episode 1. Stop trying to go viral. Everybody's trying to go viral, but your goal is simple. To get your first 10 viewers, you got to start somewhere. You want real people to watch and click on your videos, right? Yeah. Most people when they begin, they do a video too broad, like my gaming video or daily blog or random thoughts. Instead, make videos that solve one specific problem to one clear answer. Example: instead of Minecraft gameplay, try how to find diamonds fast in Minecraft. Beginner method. Underline beginner. You can do it. You can do it. I am watching you. You can do it. Second, YouTube is a search engine. Before making a video, type in your idea into the search. It's that simple. Look at the suggestions, what people have done. Pick a topic that people search for, you can explain simply, or you actually enjoy. Then put those exact words into your title description or your words of communication. Mm-hmm. Because that's what we do. We communicate on this channel. This helps people, well, this helps YouTube understand who to show your videos to. Remember, people don't click videos; they click curiosity. A bad title example is my first video. A better title would be I tried YouTube for 7 days and here's what happened. That might actually be a YouTube video. I'm gonna look that up afterwards. I feel like that. Yeah. Your thumbnail should be simple. Have a big readable text. Show motion or action. Avoid too many details. I don't do thumbnails. I just can't. I don't know why. It just happens. If they can't understand your video in 2 seconds, they won't click. It's that simple, though. Get your first viewers manually. At the start, YouTube doesn't know who to show your video to, so you help it. Share your video with your friends, family, your dog, your Discord servers you are in. Make sure you ask permission. Don't spam. Spamming is bad. Spamming is bad. And even small Facebook groups. You only need 10 real viewers to start teaching YouTube or having fun in general. Views come from retention. In your first 10 seconds, tell viewers what they'll learn, get straight to the point, and avoid long intros. That's another thing I had a bad problem with when I first started. Always ask why should someone keep watching. Cut boring parts, faster pacing equals more watch time. Remember, your first 10 viewers are harder than your first 1,000. Mm-hmm. Focus on clear topic, searchable titles, simple thumbnails. I had a brain fart. And sharing your video. This helped you consider subscribing. You don't have to if you don't want to. And comment how many viewers you got in your latest video. I'd love to hear where you're starting from and where you're going to go. Oh no, I just like meet new people and yeah. I have a great day, morning, evening. Good night, sleep tight, don't let geckos bite, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.